Ethereum price prediction. Ethereum was rejected above the $1,877 level, but losses are expected to be minimal considering the positive nature of the broader crypto market. After breaking all-time highs, price formed a ascending channel, reversed down the price. However, we begin to see this expanding type of structure. As we know, they can be both reversal and continuation correction. We then see a quick LTF push up from the reversal expanding structure and a small continuation flag form. This can be the first indication of the bullish momentum. Let's see if we can get the price to continue a break above the ATH once again and look for the long-term buying opportunity. Ethereum stopped out longs on the dump yesterday before pumping above $1,784 and now what looks like is going to $2,022 or the local high at 1 Fibonacci level. Market makers painted the dump down to $1,594, which hasn't been tested yet, but overnight pumped it back above $1,784 and regained this resistance as a level of support going long towards $222. From here, after Ethereum weaks $222, depending on the momentum at that region, it may keep pumping to reach the $2,700 target at the 1.618 Fibonacci level. For Ethereum to reach $2,000 and surpass it, that's only 5% and is no stranger to Ethereum. Price testing this level as support now. In my opinion, Ethereum can pull back and continue uptrend. If this will happen, we will have good chance to open long position. Ethereum met with some rejection above the $1,877 level, but the bulls held on the aforementioned support mark at the time of this video. The unbalanced volume dipped over the last few sessions as sellers sought to capture the market. The RSI moved southbound from just beneath the overbought zone, a sign that buyers are losing strength. Support at $1,702 was a crucial juncture for the bulls as it coincided with the 200 SMA. A fall towards this level could spur some buying at a discounted price. Considering gains in the market leader Bitcoin, capital inflows are plenty in the crypto market and same could prevent Ether from falling towards its long-term moving average. Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin is one of the most unusual cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Based on a popular internet meme, Doge became more popular in 2020 after Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, tweeted regularly about it, leading to a spike in its market value. This came around the time that Tesla bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, marking its entry into the crypto market. As unique as Dogecoin is, it is not as widely available for purchase as Bitcoin or Ether. However, Elon Musk is sticking up for Dogecoin and is advocating for greater public access to the coin. So if we look at the chart, we can say the RSI on Dogecoin nosedived from the upper region as the price met with a strong resistance mark at $0.0631. Nevertheless, there was a large presence of bullish sentiment in the market as successive green candlesticks formed prior to the fall during the last session. The awesome oscillator still showed strong momentum on the bullish side. With a sharp rise in trading volumes, it looked like just a matter of time till the overhead resistance was breached, despite some bearish conditions in the market. Such a case would present the next challenge at $0.070, a region that Doge has failed to reach in the last 30 days. If the sell-off extends for a longer duration, support at $0.05 could cushion the losses. Stellar Lumens price prediction. Stellar Lumens has performed very well in the market since it's climbed above $0.1 in November and established a local high at $0.56. However, since then, it has faced steady selling pressure, and the past few days saw the price repeatedly test an area of supply at $0.43 but was unable to break above. So if we look at the Stellar Lumens 1 hour chart, we can say the short-term outlook for XLM is bearish. The past 2 days have seen XLM attempt to climb the $0.41 mark, but bulls were unable to force such a move. The highlighted region around $0.43 was plotted based on the 4-hour chart and shows an area of supply in the vicinity of $0.43 in which XLM has been rejected multiple times over the past 3 weeks. This area was flipped from supply to demand about 10 days into February, but XLM sank back beneath this area following Bitcoin's slide from $58,000 to $45,000. Closing a trading session below $0.4 was an indication that XLM was headed to $0.382 in the coming hours and even as low as $0.363 within a few days. So what is the reason? On the hourly chart, the RSI dipped below neutral 50 and appeared to retest it as resistance even as the price fell beneath the level of former support. This indicated rising bearish momentum in the short term. The longer time frames also showed a similar shift in momentum. The OBV was in a steady downtrend. The bounce from $0.37 saw noticeable buying volume. The bounce pushed the price past $0.4, but bulls were unable to hold on. The 0.35 to 0.363 area could be a price XLM trades at in the coming days due to the bearish pressure piling on. This would be an area to look for potential buying opportunities if bulls manage to defend it on multiple retests. Losing this area as well as you could see XLM drop to $0.284, but over the next few days the $0.383 and $0.363 are the levels of support to watch. Bullish sentiment picked up in the stellar lumens market thanks to strong push from the market leader Bitcoin. The price switched to green at the time of this video while trading volumes are north of the $1 billion mark. Positive indicators certainly made a case for XLM to break above its present ceiling at $0.46. The MACD was close to a bullish crossover while the RSI pointed north from around the 50 mark. A rise above the current channel would present the next challenge at $0.52 resistance and a signal a move away from a channel in which XLM has traded for over 2 weeks. Okay, so I still truly believe XLM is due for a breakout. It has not been reactive relative to BTC lately. Yes, it moves in a similar fashion, but the deviation percent have been weak at best. I do one thing though, it's cheap relative to its potential, and the breakout of the crypto market, it's a bargain at this current price. You definitely have very little risk in the 0.38 to 0.40 range. Its fundamentals are great. It's stable and lighting fast with very low fees. I think it's due to blow up very soon. All the indicators say it should be moving up. Being a stable coin by nature, the risk is low. So low risk plus good fundamentals into possible breakout equal opportunity. I stand by my analysis. This one is due to make some gains soon. I may be wrong, but there is very little downside this price. This is a low risk zone. So yes, there are better gambles, but very few with the low risk of XLM current undervalued price. This is not a financial advice. This is just personal opinion.